Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I made this really bomb twist out. Like, look at all this definition. My parting sucks, but this twist out came out really nice. So if you want to see how I made this look, if you like this look and want to try it for yourself, then stay tuned. I'm starting off with freshly washed hair. I like to part my hair in 4 sections to make sure I get everything thoroughly. And so when I do part my hair, I also apply the products in sections. This product smells so good, you guys, and leaves my hair feeling so soft afterwards. Oh my goodness, I cannot. And then once I do that, I use the lock method. So I use my leave-in conditioner, and I'm adding my oil right here. I love this oil. It's the best thing since sliced bread, in my opinion. I use the oil for everything, like it's in all of my videos, everything. I love this oil. Once I finish with the oil, I'm going to add in my Cantu Twist and Lock Gel. And this product is amazing. Like, the hold on it is great. My hair always comes out defined, and my curls are always popping with this. And I'm convinced the oil and this mixed together is amazing. So to twist the hair, make sure you detangle very thoroughly, because if it's not detangled, your hair is not going to come out right. When you try to unravel it, it's going to be all types of messed up. So make sure you really comb, you brush, do what you got to do, but make sure your hair is not matted at all. Everything has to be smooth so that when you twist it, it can be laid, and then when you untwist it, it's defined exactly how you want it to be. This is a close-up of how I twist it. When I'm twisting it, you make sure that you twist it tight, but not too tight so that you're not pulling at your roots. But you want to make sure you do it one on top of the other, and don't borrow from the other strand, because when you unravel the twist, it's not going to come out right. So make sure you comb the ends so it's smooth, and you twist one over the other perfectly. The next day, when my hair is thoroughly dried, I'm using my oil again so that I can make sure my hair is not frizzy when I'm unraveling them. And when I unravel it, make sure you start from the roots and you pull the hair apart. And this is what I was saying earlier. When you borrow from the other strand, it's not going to come out right. So when you unravel, you want to make sure you grab it from the bottom and then you pull at it gently, though, not too hard. When you're separating your curl, you want to make sure you separate it where the curl naturally separates. So when you're pulling at the hair, you're going to see that the curl is going to come apart on its own from the strand. That's the part that you want to separate, because otherwise your curl is not going to be defined. It's going to be all frizzy and all over the place, which is why, again, you can't borrow from the strand, because when you try to separate, it's not going to be right. So you want to make sure you separate the hair where your curl naturally separates on its own, so that you can have the maximum definition that you want. Once you finish with that, you can get a comb or a pick. It's up to you. I prefer a pick, but you can also use a comb. It's just so you can hide your parts, so it's not obvious you just had a twist out. And I also like to add a little bit more volume to my hair, so I also like to pull out a little bit longer, and I tease it so it could have the right look that I want. And once you finish with that, you get it to how you want it to be. You should be all set. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me in the comments section below. See you next time. Bye.